Assalamualaikum sampurasun guys, sarang wilujeng sumping ke channel Abdi. Saya BDT dari Borneo Sabah akan menemani kawan-kawan semua dalam episode reaction hari ini. Dan hari ini kita akan nonton satu video lagi daripada Why Not Ash. Dan video ini adalah Indonesia Coolest Trend Panoramic View Yogyakarta to Surabaya. Itu judul video yang akan kita buat reaction hari ini. Ojo lali guys, di subscribe channelku, jangan lupa klik like, komen, dan share. Moga semua kawan-kawan berada dalam keadaan yang sehat-sehat selalu, dimurahkan rezeki, dipermudahkan segala urusan dunia dan akhirat. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Guys, jadi ini pendapat bule ini bahwa ini adalah kereta api yang paling keren dia pernah naik guys seumur hidup dia. Jadi kita akan nonton video ini seperti apa panoramic train ini. Saya pernah buat reaction sebelum ini tentang panoramic view juga. Tapi kali ini kita akan nonton apa pendapat dia yang pendapat bule inilah, pendapat bule yang satu ini. Dan tanpa buang-buang waktu, mari kita nonton isi kandungan video ini. 1, 2.
Is this Indonesia's coolest train? Today, we're taking the Argo Willis Express all the way from Yogyakarta to Surabaya. On this journey that's 4 hours long, we're going to be talking about the facilities on board and talking about the amazing scenery that you can see from the glass enclosed carriage that we're on today. Stay tuned to find out more.
Wow. Ini panoramik. Wah. Gila, punya luas guys, nampak.
As part of the ticket price, when you pay for the panoramic train, you get access to Yogyakarta's Anggrek station lounge, free of charge and included with the price of the ticket. We booked through Traveloka and we collected our boarding tickets at the station itself. As well as coffee, tea, juice, you get access to free snacks as well.
Ada kue lagi.
It's a traditional snack and it's like a soft bread. I'm not sure why it's purple, but
cantik loh tempat ini guys. Wah, cantik, cukup cantik. Ini tempat menunggu dia guys. Jadi kalau kalian beli tiket untuk panoramic train ini, semua yang di sini ini gratis.
This is the Argo Willis on an earlier departure, and this is the train that we're going to be getting on a little bit later. The trains are about to leave from Yogyakarta here. Both this going the other way will be the train that we'll be taking all the way to Surabaya.
Orang mau dari Jakarta ke Surabaya. Ini sangat menarik lah guys. Saya teringat satu game Final Fantasy kata Jogja itu berlampan. Beginilah kurang lebih dia punya scenery.
Looks like the majority of the rush has finished for this morning in Yogyakarta, and it's crazy to see the difference between it being no people and earlier this morning as well.
Ini pagi. Argo Willis. Nah, sampai sudah panoramik Kai kereta api Indonesia. Tapi ini bukan panoramik, inilah panoramik. Wow guys, punya luas cermin dia. Wow, keren, punya luas guys, macam seolah-olah terang.
At the end of the carriage there was plenty of space to leave your luggage as well. As we took in the scenery and we were relaxing and enjoying the views, breakfast was served. So for breakfast we had a cheese donut, some popcorn, and a few drinks to tide us over.
Minuman. 4 jam
We are
perjalanan.
an hour into our journey at the moment, and it really doesn't feel like an hour has passed by. The seats are so comfortable, and you can also recline them using these little buttons on the side. In terms of the seat itself, you've got a little fold-out table, you've got a little footrest, and you've also got plugs. The fact that the windows are massive really helps make such a big difference to your journey and how you feel. I don't feel tired. I don't feel exhausted.
Tidak rasa letih lelah.
I'm still quite enjoying it. As we travel through the beautiful Indonesian scenery, there's so much to see and so much to look at. And this has to be one of the best ways to enjoy the Indonesian countryside. Whilst the lighting may not be great, the scenery is. And over there you can see Mount Lawu.
Gunung Lewu.
So a quick breakdown of costs. We paid 1.7 million Indonesian rupiah through a website called Traveloka. When you roughly convert it, it's about £83 or about $95. For a journey that is 4 hours long, we thought it would be a good investment of our time to use this as a bit of a tourist opportunity. So we're about an hour and a half in, and food has been served to us as well. It comes in this rather nice plastic tub with cutlery also. Let's see what's inside. The food is absolutely roasting as well. Food comes with prawn crackers, some veg, some meat and rice. Really nice. The train took a bit of an extended stop at one of the stations we were at, so I decided to check out the toilet facilities on board. I can't believe these were the toilets on board. It felt like almost being in a hotel. Everything was well stocked, everything was really clean, and you got enough facilities to keep you happy.
I'm not sure if you can see, but the sun is setting behind me, and I don't think there's a better way to enjoy the sunrise on the way to Surabaya quite as good as being on this train right now. This train is extremely timely, and we've not been late to a single stop so far. We've had a lovely lunch, and tea, coffee, hot chocolate was also provided by the lovely and amazing staff who are just as warm and hospitable as the people of Indonesia that we've been fortunate enough to meet so far. I've thoroughly enjoyed this rail journey, and whilst there are some minor gripes, some minor downfalls, such as the not having USB ports and some of the lunch portions being a bit bigger to complement the rice, for the price this has been a really good offering. Pound for pound, I definitely think it's up there with the train in Malaysia that we took, and if you time it right, you can get the beautiful sunset on the way into Surabaya as well.
Well, that brings us to the end of our journey now, and I hope you enjoyed the journey as much as I did. The Panoramic Express offers amazing views, as well as a really comfortable and pleasant travel experience. And if you ever find yourself in Indonesia, I'd definitely recommend taking this train ride. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to share it or subscribe to my channel.
Oke guys, jadi demikian video yang baru kita nonton bareng. Itulah pengalaman bule ini menaiki panoramic view train. Jadi kalau menurut harga itu mungkin sedikit mahal, tapi memang agak berbaloi dengan perjalanan dia ini. Sebab itulah mungkin tidak berapa ramai orang yang naik panoramic train ini, sebab dia punya harga yang agak mahal, tapi dengan servis yang cukup bagus, semua makanan gratis, layanan yang cukup bagus, tambahan kita dapat scenery atau view yang begitu besar guys, luas sekali guys. Jadi itu saya rasa cukup berbaloi guys untuk mencoba pengalaman ini guys. Kalau kalian tanya saya apakah saya mau, memang saya akan coba guys kalau saya. Sebab ini adalah pengalaman yang menarik untuk dicoba sekali dalam seumur hidup guys. Kalau menurut kalian bagaimana? Komen di ruang komentar di bawah. Semoga video yang saya bawakan ini bisa memberi kalian hiburan dan info, dan moga-moga juga kalian suka dengan video yang saya react. Jangan lupa klik like, komen, dan share. Sampai jumpa di episode akan datang guys. Salam santun, damai, dan salam silaturahmi. Assalamualaikum, salam Nusantara, good people. Yo teman-teman, ojo lali di subscribe yo channelku.